first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello guys, today we're going to be working in this front load LG washer. The model number is on the display. And the problem that we have with this model is that it's throwing an error code DE. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it to run right now. Start the washer and see what happens. Press play. And you can hear that it's locking or trying to lock the door. And this light flashes and then it throws the error code DE.
Yeah.
Trying to get you and trying to get the error code in camera. That way you guys can see DE right there. So now what I'm trying to do is unlock the door, because this door latch has a mechanism where a part of it locks the door and the other part will send a signal and tell the board that it's locked. So if we go with the paperwork, it will tell us that we have a problem with the door lock. We have the door lock handy in the truck, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the door latch. We're gonna go ahead and grab our pair of needle nose and remove the boot spring. Now we grab our Phillips screwdriver or a drill and remove the two Phillips screws. Now we got our door latch loose and we can remove it from the harness. We got the new door latch here. The part number to the display. And I'm just checking, make sure this is not a used part, because they give me a used part in the past. Connect the harness or terminal into the new latch. Set it in place. And go ahead and install your two Phillips screws back in place. Make sure to hold it in the other side, that way it doesn't strip or go in the wrong direction. Make sure they're tight. And go ahead and install your booth or seal, however you want to call it, back in place the way it's supposed to. Remember to take pictures every time you do a job like this, in case you don't remember how a certain part goes. Now over here it has like a little canal where the door sits in place. So take a look of why you remove and then just remember how to put it back on. Now we got our spring. Sometimes the spring is very hard to put it on, so have somebody to help you. In this case, this one was kind of easy, but it might not be that easy for you. So if you have somebody to help you to set it in place while you stretch the spring, that'll be even better for you. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Press play. Now you can hear that it only make noise once. Before it did it like twice. And now the red light stays on. Now I want to mention those lights are flashing because of the reaction of the camera, but those lights are really not flashing like that. That's just the camera doing that. Those lights that you see flashing are steady in the on position. Now before, it might start the washer, but if it would have said 50 or 56 or any number, it would just sit there and try to run. Now we got water coming in, and it's showing 51. And the red light where it indicates that the door is locked, it stays on as well. So it's doing more than what it was doing before, and this is a good indication that our only problem was our door latch. And we're just gonna wait until that number starts going down. As you saw, it says 50. You only have to replace this door latch, and you see the number is going down. At this point, pretty much done. Thanks for watching. This video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.